It's Dorothy. I'm going to show you how to dilute your Thieves Household Cleaner. Super concentrated, so we're going to mix it with filtered water. You'll need a 16-ounce glass jar. Glass is preferable because the ingredients in the Thieves Household Cleaner are so concentrated they're going to start to eat your plastic bottle. So you want to find a glass bottle. And then you need your household cleaner and some filtered water. I'm going to use a funnel here so I don't get all spilly. And then we're going to put 1 tablespoon of household cleaner into this 16-ounce jar here. If you have the smaller bottle of Thieves Household Cleaner, you can use 1 capful into the 16-ounce jar. Then all we have to do is fill it up with water and put the spray lid on. We can clean countertops, we can clean our bathrooms, so toilets, showers, stovetops, mirrors, windows. Is really a multi-purpose cleaner. This cleaner is going to replace all the cleaners in your house, guaranteed. It's great on floors as well, so you can throw a cap or 2 into your mop bucket and cleaning you will go. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is. You have your multi-purpose cleaner. We just keep ours on the counter with the rest of our Thieves products, and it literally cleans everything in your house. If you have questions or you'd like to talk about toxic-free ways to clean your home, send me a message. Email me. I'm always up to chat. Thanks for watching.